Out-of-school youths and school dropouts are the targets of an employment program for jobless young members of society. The program will be launched initially in 4 provinces in the country. George Bandola reports.
Youth employment to alleviate them from poverty. This is what brought the United Nations, the Department of Labor and Employment, and the International Labour Organization to come up with a program that will address youth unemployment. The program will be first implemented in the provinces of Masbate, Antique, Agusan del Sur, and Maguindanao, previously identified as poorest of the poor Philippine provinces. It aims to employ and train out-of-school youths and school dropouts aged 15 to 24.
So the goals that we are looking at in the MDG, how to reduce poverty, and the goal set in the MDGs was to reduce poverty by half by the year 2015, and also to reduce the vulnerable employment by half. In order to do that, we need to focus on these. So the targets globally are just that. We need to cut this in half.
Even those that have finished college, because we are also started with the program with the problem of mismatch, and encouraging also those who are graduate students, especially those who are taking up business administration, commerce, or what, if they can probably, if they could not get employed, then they have an alternative to go into self-employment.
Some $27 million have been initially set up by the United Nations to support youth employment program. LGUs will help the multi-agency to identify recipients from their area.
Every kabataan na mabigyan natin opportunity to be more employable, to go back to school, mabigyan ng right to information na kapag nararapat, mas nabubuhay po at mas nagiging mas sila sa kanilang mga pangarap at pag-asa.
This is a global phenomenon. But then, as I said, because we're looking at inclusive growth, we would like to address the young people, especially those who are dropouts, those who are out of school, and provide them this opportunity for self-employment or formal employment through technical training or provide them entrepreneurial skills development.
For People's Television, George Bandola.